today we are going to make a DIY model of the lungs. Lungs are the most important part of our body, and we're going to look at how respiration occurs with negative pressure. For that we're going to take a sellotape, few straws, an empty plastic bottle, some balloons, a scissor and a cutter. Now let's look at how it is made. First we are going to make the trachea. I have taken one single straw and inserted two straws from below, and I have secured the opening with a tape. Next we are going to add a pair of lungs to this trachea and primary bronchioles, the right and the left lung. Two balloons are tightly secured with the help of a sellotape to the bottom of the straws. We are now going to take an empty plastic bottle which has a cap and it has the base. Cut the base, and this bottle will now act as the trunk of the body. We are going to pierce a hole in the cap of the bottle, and this is ready for use. We have opened the cap of the bottle, and the trachea, primary bronchioles and the two balloons which are the lungs have to be inserted from the base through the cap of the bottle, and we're going to close the lid securely and tightly, and using a sellotape we're going to seal off this opening. Please note that all the openings have to be tightly secured with the sellotape and there should be no air entering. Now we only have to worry about the base of this bottle. So to make the diaphragm, we're going to attach a half-cut balloon at the base of this bottle. The balloon has to be slightly bigger in size and cover the entire base. Now our apparatus is completely ready for you. Due to the neural signal sent from the brain, the diaphragm is pushed downward. This causes a relaxation in the dome shape of the diaphragm, and as a result, the space between the lungs and the diaphragm increases. As the volume increases, the pressure inside decreases and air flows from out of the body inside the lungs, and the balloons get inflated. Now as the diaphragm contracts and acquires its dome shape again, the space between the lungs and the diaphragm decreases, volume decreases. As a result, the pressure increases and the air is released from the lungs and it travels outside the body. And this is how the interplay of the lungs, the intercostal muscles and the neural signals sent from the brain actually govern the process of breathing.